Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my April favorites. I'm going to first apologize for my hair. It has been a very rough week to say the least. My show, my 10-minute scene for my college opens this week, so we had tech all weekend. Claudio's been home, so I have had no time to film, so I'm sorry this video was supposed to go up right now actually. This is Monday morning, but I didn't have time to film, so I'm going to film it now, and these are my favorites for the month of April. My hair is wet, I just showered, I will be at school until probably 11 o'clock tonight. I will leave right after this video, so gotta make do with what you got, you know? Okay, so let's get into the favorites. Alright, so my first favorite for the month is this Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks powder trio, Convertible powder trio. And it just looks like this. It's 3 different powders. You have a warmer, a cooler, and a dark tone. I have been very into this month very natural brows. I actually haven't been wearing a lot of makeup this month, so I will pretty much just put some brow gel in my brows and then fill in with this powder color because I think this fits me the best. These stay on all day. They look nice, they look natural. I love the formulation of these brow powders. I think this is a great product, and I have been loving it this month. Okay, next is like a rediscovery of an old favorite. This is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula in the shade Bronzer. As you can see, I hit pan. It's like so hard to hit pan on products, I think, but I have been re-obsessed with this product this month. I have been really into lately the Private Party bronzer from ColourPop, but I wanted something a little softer going into summer. I wanted something more like natural, a natural bronze, I guess, and I feel like this really gives me that. I just look a lot more naturally bronzed. I think it really complements my skin tone really well before I tan this summer, so I have been loving this product. This is a drugstore product. I think this is $14, and they just came out with 2 new shades, so there is hopefully a shade for everybody, but this is awesome. I love the undertone in this. It just makes my skin look naturally bronzed and beautiful. It smells like a pina colada. Yeah, it smells like summer, or like suntan lotion. It smells like a mixture of pina colada and suntan lotion, and it really just gets me in the mood for summer, even though it's 55 degrees out today, because New Jersey doesn't know when summer's happening. But yes, I have been loving this product again. I have not been able to put it down when I've been wearing makeup. The next product is actually like a skincare product. This is the Badescu. I'm probably saying that wrong in all of my videos. I'm very sorry. This is the Glycolic eye cream. As you guys know, I have been struggling with these like under eye wrinkles or fine lines or whatever they are, and I have been dying to get rid of them or just lessen how severe they are. And ever since I started using this, I have seen a difference. It has taken me probably a month to see the difference, but my lines are definitely not as, I guess my lines aren't as like deep and concave as they usually are, and I really feel like it's because of this product. I've only been using this on my eyes, and also my eyelids got really dry, so I did put a bit of this on my eyelids, and I feel like they're so refreshed and hydrated now. I really love this product. I think it was $20, so it's like drugstore price for eye creams, and it's very hard to find good eye creams that aren't $80 plus. So this was just, it saved my eyes, and I think if I continue to use it, I will continue to update you guys on how this is going for me, but for right now, I really see a difference, and thank goodness. Alright, so while we're on the topic of skincare, I might as well talk about my other 2 skincare favorites. This is the BareMinerals Skinlongevity Serum. I picked this up not on the 21 Days of Beauty, but they had a skincare beauty event, kind of like that. And I picked this up. This is brand new from BareMinerals. And at first I didn't think this did anything to my skin, so I went back to my Pixie one. I ran out of my Pixie Rose Essence, so I went back to this product, and I really do, and now I definitely see a difference. I feel like my skin is more supple and soft. I do feel like it's revitalized. I feel like a lot of my hyperpigmentation has been going away slightly, and I don't know if that's this product, but I can not wear foundation and not be super self-conscious of the redness in my cheeks and my nose area. This just feels so good. It smells really nice too. It doesn't really have that much of a scent, but the little scent it does have is really very nice. And I've used about half a bottle of this now. I've been using this for probably 2 months on and off, and the whole month this month on every single night before I go to bed, and I really like this product. And the next product is like the biggest skin saver ever, and I want to thank my friend Tessa because she's the one who told me to pick this up. This is the Dickenson toner with witch hazel in it. This is the hydrating one because I have really dry skin. But I have seen such a difference. I don't know what this toner does. I don't know what witch hazel does exactly. But Tessa was like, oh, I've been using a witch hazel toner and it really has helped my skin. So I bought this, and first of all, it smells absolutely terrible. But that's just whatever. I got over the scent probably the 4th or 5th day I started using this. I see such an insane difference. I think this mixed with this BareMinerals serum really has helped my hyperpigmentation, because I've been seeing it slightly go away with the BareMinerals one, but as soon as I started using this, it was like overnight my skin changed. And I actually did try the Pixie Glow Tonic during this month as well, but it broke my skin out so badly. Like all over here I had pimples that I never usually get, and I started using this, and within one day, and I'm not kidding, one day my skin cleared up. And I don't know what kind of magic is in this bottle, but if you need something to save your skin, definitely get this. They also have one that isn't necessarily hydrating. It's more, I think, for pore minimizing. This is so good. This is worth every single penny, and this is a huge bottle. I've been using it every single day this month, and I've only gone through like this much. So this is totally worth it. You can find it at the drugstore. I found this at my drugstore, but I know I've seen it at Target and Walmart and Walgreens. This is so great, and I have to thank this for my skin being the way it is right now. Moving back on into makeup products. I don't know why I decided to do that. I have them all laid out, and then I just went for specific ones. But the next product I want to talk about is the Smashbox Primer Water. I'm sorry, I have to keep the boxes. I don't know why. It's like a weird thing I have. This is what it looks like in the bottle. As you can see, I've used a significant portion of this. I've been using this since I got this, the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta, and I think this is such a great product. I put on like multiple moisturizers before my primer, and I put this on before any one of them, and I think it just really helps lock in the moisture into my skin. I don't know why it does what it does or how it does what it does, and I really thought this was going to be just water in a bottle, but you can smell the chemicals or whatever particles they use in this water. You can smell it when you spray it on your face. It doesn't just smell like you're spraying water on your face. I feel like you could use this as a setting spray too, because it just really locks anything you have on your face like into your face. It's really great. I love this product. I'm trying to not use so much because it's $32 for this little bottle, and that's a lot of money for primer water, but I'm happy I picked this up, and this has been a favorite. I've been using it every single day, and I love this so much. This is my first Smashbox product, and I have a feeling I will be buying some more. I'm pretty sure everyone saw my next product coming. It's actually an eyeshadow palette. This is the Persona Identity palette from Persona Cosmetics. Sona is a YouTuber, and she has this brand, and this is her palette. This is an absolute stunning neutrals palette. I love it so much. I did a tutorial with this on my channel, and I will link it down below. I do have it on my eyes today. I think that these shimmers, they feel like, how do I properly explain this? They feel like little pillows that you like dip your finger into. They're very soft, they're very pigmented, and they are some of the most shimmery products I've ever used on my eyes. Like for a palette like this, I don't have to build these up a lot. These are so pigmented as they are, and they just show up throughout the day on my eyes. It's just insane. Every time I wear this palette, someone is like, wow, what is on your eyes? Like, it just is so good. The mattes are really very pigmented as well, and they are very blendable. The only thing I wish was that there was a transition shade in here that was just a little bit lighter, because this is the lightest shade beside this one to set your entire lid. And I just wish it was like a hair lighter than this, because this is a little too dark for me for a transition shade. So I will go in with my bronzer and use my transition shade that way. But this is a great palette. This is going to be great for travel, and I think I'm going to take this with me when I go to Universal this summer. I just think that you could get so many looks from this. Some nice sultry looks with these two shades, and some everyday with this nice gold. Oh, it's like a bronzy gold. It's so great. This is incredible, and I'm so happy I picked this up. This has been just a favorite. It also comes with a really nice mirror. Okay, my next product is a concealer. This is the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer. It's so dirty up here because it has one of those sponge applicators, and you like squeeze it and then you squeeze it into your eyes. I hate that so much about this. I got it all over my pants the first day because I was trying to open it from the thing, and I went like this, and it spilled everywhere, which is horrible. but I really like this concealer. It is the dewiest concealer I think I've ever dealt with in my life. I put this on my face and there was no part of it that was matte at all. It made my skin look so refreshed and beautiful, and I love that about it because I don't have to set it in certain areas if I don't want to, if I want more the dewy glow, which I am definitely all about as a person. But also this is very nice coverage. This is like a light to medium coverage concealer, I'd say. And since I use the Becca Under Eye Corrector, I don't need a full coverage concealer. I actually do prefer something like this. Now that we're going into summer, I want something lightweight that isn't going to clog my pores and make me feel heavy when it's like sweaty and gross outside. So this has been awesome. I wish it came with a bigger tube. I feel like I've already used half of this and I've only had this for actually half of the month, so I hope this isn't cheating. I don't know, this is great, and this is fair and it's the lightest shade. It's just perfect for me. It could stand to be a little lighter. The shade range should definitely be expanded later on because I think there's only like 4 or 5 shades, which is absolutely ridiculous. But I will take it. I will take what I got, and I really love this product for a nice refreshed dewy look. Okay guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I will be more regular with my upload schedule in the coming weeks. Like I said, school has been absolutely insane. I have papers to write, I have projects to do, I have things to direct, so I have been absolutely crazy. This video will go up on Friday, my god, is that May 4th already? Holy crap. Okay, this video will go on May 4th, and I'll hopefully be back into my regular upload schedule next week. I am gonna film some boyfriend makeup tutorial things and boyfriend challenges and all that stuff, so just stick around for that. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to. There's never any pressure with that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!